Hi guys, today we talk about Realme GT6 China Edition. It's launched on July 2024. The dimensions of Realme GT6 China Edition: height 6.38 inch, width 3 inch, thickness 8.4 mm. The weight is 207 grams and the build: front glass, plastic back and plastic frame. The display of Realme GT6 China Edition: it's come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.78 inches with 90.6% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1264 by 2780 means 1.5K and the PPI density is 453. The refresh rate of Realme GT6 China Edition is 120Hz with 6000 nits peak of brightness, and the screen protection it's come with crystal armor glass. The platform it's come with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and the CPU is octa-core Cortex-X4 with 3.3 GHz. The GPU of Realme GT6 China Edition it's come with Adreno 750 with 903 MHz. The memory of Realme GT6 China Edition it's come with 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs, 512 gigs and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The camera setup of Realme GT6 China Edition it's come with dual camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and it's record 4K 60 fps video. The selfie camera is 16 megapixel and it's record 4K 30 fps video. The battery backup of Realme GT6 China Edition it's come with 5800 mAh battery with 120 watt fast wire charging. It could not support wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. The commons and the features: the Realme GT6 China Edition come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0 and IP65 dust and water resistant and infrared port 2. The Realme GT6 China Edition price is not available at this time.